and reporting to you, our viewer. But moving on, almost a year after devastating rains wreaked havoc across the country, Nairobi residents are once again calling on the government to take action following a heavy downpour that lasted from Sunday night to Monday morning. Now, this comes just days after the Kenya Met Department issued a 3-day warning of intense rainfall in various parts of the country. Winfrey Owino with the details.
This is how Nairobi roads look like on a normal day. However, for the better part of Monday, major roads in the city were either impassable or plagued by heavy traffic congestion following overnight rains that lasted until morning. Flooded roads forced motorists to slow down, while blocked and leaking sewer lines worsened the situation, rendering some routes completely impassable. In certain areas, stagnant water mixed with garbage posed health risks. Residents are now worried about their livelihoods, fearing potential flooding could further disrupt their sources of income.
Si mara ya kwanza kukua hivi. Maji kwanza hii ni mvua kidogo imenyesha. Kama imekuwa mvua nyingi ilikuwa inajanga sana.
Lakini hii sewage inasumbua sisi sana kila siku. Kila siku kanjo inakuja hapa inadunga lakini haifanyi chochote. Sasa tunaomba Mr. Sakaja ukuje tutengenezee hii sewage ndio tupate ajira. Ona mkono ni safi tu, hatukuna job na mvua ikinyesha hivi ndio at least unaweza pata kitu ya kuenda nayo kwa nyumba. Lakini kwa sasa hatuwezi fanya kazi sababu hakuna gari itapita kwa maji kwa sewage.
On Saturday, the Kenya Meteorological Department had warned of heavy rainfall expected between Sunday and Tuesday at 9 p.m, affecting Nairobi, the Rift Valley, and parts of the Lake Victoria Basin. This is not the first time Nairobi residents have been affected by heavy rains. Last year, over 55,000 families were affected, nearly 300,000 people displaced, and multiple cases of loss of life.
Catherine Imurage.
Residents are now urging the government to act swiftly to mitigate the impact of the rains and prevent a repeat of last year's situation. Winfrey Owino, KTN.
Ahead in business news, Kenya Accreditation Service and